First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is a Mika washing machine that is giving an E21 error code. So in this video we discuss on how to troubleshoot and fix an E21 error code on a Mika washing machine. Before we proceed, this is the best channel for you guys. Kindly subscribe, like and share, because every day we post videos on how to use, troubleshoot, repair and even install washing machines, and we do all brands. Now if you have a Mika washing machine that is giving you an E21 error code, that means the machine is struggling to drain water. The pump is not running. So two things: it's either the machine has a blockage or the machine drain pump is dead. So to know if the washing machine drain pump is dead, the machine goes silent. I mean, when it's time to drain water, there's always a chugging sound that comes underneath the filter where we have the drain filter. You'll hear a sound. That is the propeller of the pump running to pump out water. So if there's a blockage, the pump will be running, but something is in there that's not allowing water to get out. So if there's that sound of a running pump, but water won't come out, that is a blockage. But when you open the filter, like the way I'm doing here, water comes out, there's nothing in there. The propeller is loose, like there's nothing on the propeller that is hindering it from running. Zero blockage. That is a pump issue. So you'll need to replace the drain pump. So what you need to do is open the filter, because two things: if there's something that is holding even if the pump is okay, but there's something that is holding the propeller on the pump, the machine won't drain. So the pump could be okay, but the machine won't drain. So you see, like on this one here, there's nothing holding the propeller. Water is coming out when you open the filter. The pump is not running. So that is a pump issue. And most of these pumps are compatible. So most alternating current AC drain pumps are compatible. You can get a Samsung, you put it on an LG. You can get an LG pump, you put it on a Mika. You can get a Mika one, you put it on a Ramtoms. Provided it's an alternating current pump, it will fit perfectly. Alternatively, there's always a model number on the machine. It's either at the back of the machine, or when you open the door, there's always a sticker, or just where it's written the machine brand, or now the number of the capacity. There is a model number that you should use to get the correct part. So with this one, what I did was this. Unfortunately, it wasn't a pump issue, it wasn't a blockage issue. Why? What I did is I disconnected the wires, used just an old pump that was working perfectly, connected the wires to see if the pump was running. But unfortunately, power was not coming from the power control panel to the drain pump, meaning the control circuit was faulty. So with this one here, we had to get a new power control panel, the motherboard. And there is the motherboard. Once you open this panel, you will see the motherboard somewhere here. So it's quite unfortunate. So this one here, it was not a blockage because the machine was okay and it was well maintained. Number two, it was not a blockage. It was not a pump issue because the pump was okay. I used a multimeter and the pump was okay.